This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Well, if you're looking to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. Hello, and thanks for watching another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in this video, I want to talk to you about the cryptocurrency market and how it performed today. And I want to also help newbies get into the cryptocurrency space and begin to build up your portfolio. It is not too late to get into Bitcoin. It is not too late to get into Ethereum. There are a lot of coins out there that you can purchase that are like $1 and some change, less than $1. There are coins out there that's maybe like less than $100 that you can add to your portfolio and watch it grow. Follow it like you would stock. Just recently, Coinbase, the platform where you buy cryptocurrency, just launched the IPO, and it is available to purchase as a stock now with your broker. If you already have one, Robinhood, Webull, you're able to purchase stock. On Robinhood, you can purchase fractional shares. On Webull, you have to buy the whole stock. And I have not checked, I'll check it now. I was going to say I haven't checked Cash App because I know some people have started purchasing stock on the Cash App. I haven't done that before, and I want to see if they are on there. They should be, but we're going to see. Yes, Coinbase is available for purchase on the Cash App. They're available for purchase on Robinhood as well. So if you can't afford a whole share of Coinbase, you can buy fractional shares on those two places, Robinhood and the Cash App. Now, one share, I believe, is like $330. It just launched, like, I believe it was on Wednesday when it launched. The IPO launched. And yeah, right now it's at 342. It's the weekend, but I got in at, I think when it opened up at like 500 and something dollars. I got in, like, I didn't go in the first day. I waited, and I got in at $320. So this goes to show you that a cryptocurrency exchange is on the stock exchange. So that goes to show you that cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. And if you are interested in purchasing that stock, you can do so on Cash App or the Robinhood app. I have my Robinhood link where you can receive free stock. If you've never purchased stock on Robinhood before, I have a link in my link tree that you can click and sign up. And when you join, you'll get free stock, and so will I. Robinhood, I would say, is a better place to purchase stock rather than purchasing it on rather than purchasing it on Cash App. And Webull is probably better than Robinhood. They're about the same, but you hear better better reviews with Webull than you do with Robinhood. But with Webull, which you have to buy the full share of any stock you buy. You can't buy fractional shares. So, with that being said, if you have had a closed mind to cryptocurrency, the fact that there is a cryptocurrency exchange on that had launched the IPO that started out off the gate at like 500 and something dollars. And if you do your own research out there, you'll see why that is. Okay. Now, if you, so that is something that I have done. I got in, like I said, I got in at like $326, something like that. But building a portfolio in cryptocurrency, now is the time to do that, because 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you don't want to regret it. There are people that regret not buying Bitcoin, okay? And it's at $60,000. So don't be that person that misses out in an opportunity to grow your money other than the traditional ways out there. So there are coins like Bitcoin, you can buy a percentage of it. Ethereum, you can buy any cryptocurrency, you can buy a percentage of it on any from anywhere, okay, everywhere. So you don't have to buy a whole coin. So I'm going to show you the charts to just give you an idea of what the market did today. The market like was a down day today, and I suspect it was because there was a lot of profit that was made in this last week with crypto. The market like shot up in different things, especially Dogecoin. All right. That shot up from like 8 cent to like 40 cent, 45 cent in a few days. So it's because it's been getting a lot of news. But today the market has taken a dip because people have made large profits in many of their coins that's in their portfolio. Okay. And when you see the market going down, and then because of people selling, then what will happen is it will continue to go down because of sell-offs that are happening because of fear. Some people see it going down. They may have bought some. They're newbies in the market and they see it going down like, oh, I don't want to lose all my money. Something's going to happen. And they sell their cryptocurrency, okay, to try to not lose their money. But unless you are a trader, you should be holding your crypto for like a long time, years, okay? If you are a trader, then yeah, you want to avoid taking a loss, um, as much loss as possible. So that's different. Okay, you would need to study the charts to see when to get in and out of a trade. But when you buy, when the crypto market is going down, that's when you buy more. Hold what you have, and if you have money, you buy more. So the great thing that I'm excited about, that what I have going on, is with Watermine, I'm investing with Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So, but so when I'm making a profit off of that, I'm making 2% a day or 2.2% a day, depending on the deposit that I make. And I'm able to take the earnings from there and put it into my trading account and trade. Well, you can take the earnings in there from there and just stack your crypto and hold it in a portfolio, in a wallet, in a trust wallet, in a ledger, in Exodus. There's so many different wallets out there that you can utilize. And if you want to keep them all in one place, Exodus is a good app or desktop wallet to use. The Trust wallet is a good one to use on your phone. And Coinbase is a good one as well. People hold their currencies on Coinbase. So building a portfolio is very important in today's times. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think it behooves you to purchase some. And if it dips, so what? Hold it, just like you would a stock. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. Okay? They said the internet was going somewhere. They said that Netflix wouldn't work. They said that a lot of things wouldn't work, but it's working. Okay? Tesla, electric cars, so so study and learn as much as you can about this market and not be fearful about it, because the percentage that you make there's so many ways to make money in cryptocurrency that I share on this channel and will continue to share on this channel, that you do not want to miss out on it. You don't want to wait till the whole world has it and then get in. Big institutions are already getting in, big corporations, billionaires, all of that are already getting into cryptocurrency. So don't be afraid because everybody else is not doing it yet. That's when it's too late. Okay. So I'm going to take you to the charts just to show you some things that can happen when you do buy a cryptocurrency and you see it lower than it was the day before or the week before, just to give you guys an idea of what to look for when you see a dip in something you bought. That way you can kind of see how far it could possibly go, and then how high it can possibly go. I want to show you guys that on a chart. All right, so let's get to the charts. All right, so I am on the chart, and I'm currently on Polkadot right now. And Polkadot, I want to show you guys something. You see this long dip here? This happened about in almost every cryptocurrency. So you know what? I'm going to show you different coins where this happened. You see that? All right. Now, this is something that I would want to, because I know it's going to come back up here, where I would want to get into a trade if I was placing a trade. But I'm in a video right now, so I just kind of want to show you. But as you notice, this Doge coin did not dip like that. Okay, it didn't. You know why? Because it's dipped. All of this is, let me go look at the 4-hour. Well, let's just look at today. This Dogecoin has been going up, and then the last 2 days it has been going down, but it has not made a strong down. Okay, so that says something good to me. There was a lot of people that probably didn't have this coin and didn't sell off because they to take advantage of their profits. That's what I'm believing. It's not as many people that have a Doge coin as they would a Dash. Okay, you see this big dip that happened today? Now, this thing right here, it took this dip. Okay, so do I expect that it will come all the way down here to this level? It is possible. That's something that I would look out for tomorrow. Okay, that's with Dash. Now, another coin I want to look at is Tron. Tron did not take that much of a dip. Okay, it took a dip today, but let me go down here. But let me give you guys an idea of where this could go. So right here is an area of support. So it came down and it's going back up. So looking at this, for you not to be fearful, when you mark up your chart, you kind of see where the support and resistant areas are. So you're able to see, this is a prime example of what I want to show you. You're able to see like, okay, this could go down to, it's currently at 13 cents. The worst that can happen next is it goes down to 12 cents. Oh, it passed 12 cents. Oh, this can go down to 9 cents. Oh, it passed 9 cents. It could go down to 6 cents. So that's what you kind of want to look at when you're looking at the market. But this market is not going anywhere. So when it takes these dips, you can get back in. Now, this is a daily chart. I'm normally looking at a 15-minute chart on here because I trade. So the next one, chain link, look at that. Look at that. It happened. All of this was today. Okay. So this is something I look at to say, okay, it crossed all the way down here. What is it going to do tomorrow? Okay, is it going to go back up? Is it going to continue to go down to right here, this line here? Okay, that's some things that I look at when I'm looking at, okay, do I get in now? Or how far do this thing really have more to go? Does it have more to go? Okay. Let me just turn this to a 15-minute chart. So yeah, a 15-minute chart is each candle is 15 minutes. So right now you see this trying to go back up, but something has happened in the last 30 minutes that caused this market to really come down like this. So what you want to do next is just wait for it to go back, get it, buy low and then let it go back up. See, Ethereum has already bounced back. It came down. This long wick right here has caused it to go up. So if I wanted to get in here, I could. I'm already in a trade. Today, like I said, today was a bad day. So I got in a trade and it continued to go down. So I'm holding what I have until it goes back up and hits my target where I want to sell. So this is Ethereum, but this is something you want to say, okay, I can get in and go up. But when you're just buying and holding, you just let this thing do its thing. Hold it. You're holding long term anyway. All right. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has really took a dip today too. It was at 60,000. Now it's all the way down to 56,000. What am I going to do with my Bitcoin? Just sit on it and hold it. I have a wallet. I have a wallet where I have my holdings, and then I have wallets where I trade. And let's look at ADA, which is Cardano. See right here? This is where I would want to get into a trade at. I want to get in a trade right here. So see that? See how that just jumped up? So I'm getting ready to get in that trade because it's about to shoot up. So I'm not going to do it in this video, but I will be getting into it. So that's all I wanted to go over in this video. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and on which cryptocurrencies you should add to your portfolio, you'll learn that what I'm adding to my portfolio. You'll learn where to go to look for which cryptocurrency to get in, how to study study what a particular crypto is, what blockchain technology that they do. You're able to learn all of that, and I'll be providing that type of content here. And if you want to learn ways to grow your money in crypto by joining different platforms that I am, like Watermine or Tron Case or 100K Club, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Bye-bye.
Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the